Hello everyone, now we will discuss about the topic why interface is not known as the resting phase. First of all, before going to the topic, what is interface here? As we know, interface generally we are calling it as a resting phase. Interface is the phase between the two successive divisions. That means completion of one division and then in the starting of one division, the phase between these 2 points we are calling as what? We are calling as the interface here. As interface is a resting phase, but interface is making the cell ready to divide here. That's why it is not called as a resting phase here. If you are seeing, if you want to see the interface particularly here, if you see the interface here, in the interface we are seeing the many steps or many stages here, right? Like this, if you are taking it as an interface cycle, particular interface cycle, why it is not known as a resting phase here? In the interface, if you are seeing particularly here actually, particular point, if you are taking like this stage we are calling as a M phase, and then it is cytokinesis, it is G0, G1, S and G2 phase. If you take the particular things now, M phase we had, after M phase cytokinesis will take place, division of the cytoplasm or the particular thing. Then G0 phase we had, then G1, S, then G2 phase we had. Here particularly these are the phases in the interface particularly now. If you see particularly here what is happening, interface we are dividing into many phases now. M phase, the term always indicate mitosis or meiosis, particularly if you are taking the mitosis, M phase is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. 4. This M phase is followed by the cytokinesis, division of the cytoplasm. Then after that thing, what is happening? Now the cell is entering into the interface. Interface is consisting of which phases now? G0, G1, S, G2. G term always indicate what? Gap, right? Here in the G0, actually what is happening here? G0, the cell is ready to divide particularly, it is getting ready for the interface here. The G1 phase, what is happening particularly? The G1 phase, the secretion or the formation of RNA and proteins takes place. The formation of the RNA and proteins takes place. G1 phase is a phase between the mitotic phase and formation of a DNA phase, right? Yes, the term always indicate what? Synthesis. Here particularly in the S phase, what is happening here? DNA is synthesized. Synthesis of the DNA, very important step. Synthesis of the DNA always takes place where actually? Synthesis of the DNA always takes place in the S phase. That's why we are calling it as a synthesis phase here. And then what is the G2 phase again? In the G2 phase again, what is happening? Again the proteins are produced. Again the proteins are secreted. See, these proteins are secreted again because actually the G2 phase, what is happening? Now actively the cell is getting ready for the division now. Because after G2 phase, what we are actually M phase we are. That's why in the G2 phase again what is happening? Again the proteins are produced. Again G1 phase proteins are produced. In the G2 phase proteins are produced. These proteins are helpful for the cell to get ready for the division now, right? This is about the particular interface. Interface is particularly known as resting phase, but there is no rest for the interface particularly because it is making the cell, it is getting ready the cell to for the next division, right? We have to remember about all these steps here. This is about the interface particularly.